Ever wondered what intermittent fasting is all about? It's just a way to eat at different times, and it can make you feel awesome. What happens when you try intermittent fasting? You'll get more energy, burn fat, and feel amazing. Your metabolism becomes super smart, and you might notice you're feeling focused, fit, and fabulous. Let's start with the 16/8 method. It's super easy. Fast for 16 hours, and then eat during 8 hours, like lunch until dinner. This method is easy to fit into your daily routine. Next is the 5-2 method. 5 days, you eat your regular meals, but for 2 days, you just eat a little bit. Those 2 fasting days are simple, only 500 to 600 calories each day. Easy, right? And you get to pick your 2 fasting days. Want a bigger challenge? Try the Eat Stop Eat method. It's 24 hours of fasting once or twice a week, skipping dinner one day and eating the next. It helps your body reset, feel fresh, and stronger. Fasting isn't always easy. You might feel hungry or low on energy sometimes, and that's okay. Just keep going, your body will get used to it, and soon you'll feel awesome. Before you start any new routine, talk to your doctor. Make sure it's the right fit for you, especially if you have health concerns.